Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study computer science in Class 11 CBSE. Start by organizing your syllabus into weekly topics and prioritize core programming concepts. Focus on hands-on coding practice for every topic and review class notes after each lesson. Use small projects to connect theory with practice and solve previous year questions regularly. Form study groups for debugging sessions and teach concepts allowed to reinforce memory. Break the CBSE Class 11 syllabus into 2-week modules and list core topics first. Allocate 2 hours daily for coding practice and 1 hour for theory review on weekdays. Prioritize programming logic, data structures, and file handling before elective units. Balance textbook exercises versus coding challenges to build both conceptual depth and practical skill. Track progress weekly and adjust time based on weak topics to stay consistent and confident always. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful right before we pause for a short ad. On another note, consider Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long study sessions. They're durable and worth trying. Check the description for the link and other deals and enjoy better focus with comfy feet. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use active learning. Write code during class and rewrite notes after each lecture. Practice with small projects and automate daily tasks to reinforce logic and problem solving. Solve previous year sample papers under timed conditions to improve speed and accuracy. Use debugging sessions to learn from errors and keep a personal error log for recurring mistakes. Schedule short, focused breaks and sleep well to consolidate memory and maintain consistent study energy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.